Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. This time I'm gonna be trying to change the glass on this Samsung Galaxy J6 from 2018. So as you can see, the phone is fully functional. Here is the model, and the phone is quite broken, but there are no dead pixels. So I have two ways of repairing this. The hard and cheap way, which means replacing the glass and keeping the display, and the easy way, which is more expensive, which is replacing the whole assembly, the display together with the glass. So I'm gonna try replacing just the glass, and as you can see in the previous video with the Motorola, it's exactly the opposite of that, because there I had the glass in one piece and the broken display. Here I have the display in one piece and the broken glass. So I'm gonna get what I need, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process on fast forward. So I hope you find it's satisfying. Alright guys, so unfortunately I did manage to crack the display right here in this corner, and now the phone is not working. I mean the display, it's not working. So looks like it's gonna be the expensive way and I'm gonna buy a new display. So right now I'm gonna hit again the edges and take this display off. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so the removal is almost complete. As you can see here, I said screw it. If I already broke it, I can't broke it anymore. So I just remove it as I could. Now I have to pop this cover and disconnect it. Alright, it was quite a mess. Now it's disconnected and I'm gonna have to wait for the new one to arrive. So I'm gonna see you guys then. Okay, so the new display has arrived and I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing here to see what I have received. Alright, so before I test the new screen, I have to clean the old adhesive and dirt from around the edge. Alright guys, so let's see if it works. Alright guys, so I managed to connect it and it works, but unfortunately the color are off because I've bought a cheaper display which might be a fake, and now I'm pretty sure that it is a fake. So I'm gonna test to see if every part of the screen works. So I'm gonna select this the camera app and I'm gonna drag it across the screen. So it works just fine. And the camera itself, it's working. So I'm pretty happy with the result. So now I'm gonna prepare everything to assemble the screen finally. Something quite interesting, guys. So apparently this is the color because of the blue filter. So right now it looks a ton better. It's like the original now. Let's see from the side. Yeah, it's quite good actually. So I'm pretty happy with what I have bought. Alright, so now that I have seen it working, I'm gonna put the safety to the cable back, which is this black piece here. Alright, so I have tested again the display and everything is working fine. All of the apps, everything, every part of the screen is working. So all that is left to do is peel this film, this protecting film from the display. And the repair is complete. And about the gaps, they are quite good, but I'm not so sure that the phone would be dust and water resistant again. So this was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.